There's no hiding it anymore. The iPad Pro M5 is here, and it's not just an update, it's a full-on architectural shift that redefines what a tablet can be, firmly planting Apple's flag in the future of on-device AI. Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we zero in on the tech that truly matters, and right now, that means the new M5 iPad Pro. Let's cut straight to the facts, everything you need to know about this powerhouse from release date to the new silicon at its core. If you thought the M4 was fast, you need to understand that M5 is less about raw speed and more about intelligent, accelerated power. The new M5 iPad Pro was officially announced on October 15, 2025, and you can get your hands on the devices starting October 22, with pricing remaining consistent with the premium positioning, starting at $999 for the 11-inch model. And now, let's talk about the upgrades, because this is where the tablet stops being a tablet and starts being a true workstation. The star of the show is, of course, the M5 chip, built on next-generation process technology. This chip isn't simply clocked higher, its architecture has been fundamentally redesigned to support Apple's vision for intelligence. The M5 features an up to 10-core CPU, with a configuration of 4 performance cores and 6 efficiency cores in the top-tier models, and a blazing 10-core GPU. But the real breakthrough is the inclusion of neural accelerators in every single GPU core, a dedicated push that makes the M5 an AI specialist. Apple's internal data claims that M5 delivers up to an incredible $3.50 faster AI performance compared to the M4. Stop and think about that. On-device diffusion-based image generation in apps like DrawThings, or AI video masking in professional tools like DaVinci Resolve, just got an order of magnitude faster. Furthermore, for 3D artists and gamers, the M5 includes a third-generation hardware-accelerated ray tracing engine, meaning 3D rendering with realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections is now up to $1.50 faster than the already formidable M4. This tablet is genuinely capable of handling desktop-class creative workloads, but a powerful chip is nothing without the necessary bandwidth and memory to feed it, and Apple has delivered significant internal structural upgrades. For years, Pro users have begged for more base RAM, and finally, Apple listened. The entry-level 256GB and 512GB storage models now start with 12GB of unified memory, a substantial $50% increase over the M4's base configuration. The 1TB and 2TB models retain the 16GB capacity, but the entire memory subsystem benefits from a nearly $30% increase in memory bandwidth to over $150 GB/s, ensuring that even the most complex multitasking or largest AI models run smoothly. Accompanying this is an upgrade to the flash storage itself, which now offers up to $2 faster read and write speeds, cutting down on transfer times for large video or project files. And in a crucial quality-of-life update, the M5 iPad Pro officially supports fast charging, allowing users to achieve up to $1.50 charge in approximately 30 minutes with a high-wattage USB-C power adapter, eliminating the all-day tether for power users. Connectivity also takes a major leap, future-proofing the device for the next era of wireless data. The new M5 iPad Pro is the first tablet from Apple to feature the custom-designed Apple and One wireless networking chip, which introduces support for the Wi-Fi 7 standard, dramatically increasing wireless throughput and reducing latency on compatible networks. For the cellular models, the new Apple C1X modem is integrated, delivering up to $50% faster 5G performance alongside greater power efficiency. This isn't just about faster downloads, it's about enabling seamless, high-bandwidth cloud workflows and remote collaboration without compromise. The display, already a standout feature, remains the glorious Ultra Retina XDR Tandem OLED, offered in the stunningly thin 11-inch and 13-inch chassis, with the 13-inch model measuring an incredible $5.10. Text, $thin. The big new feature here is the Nano-texture display glass option on the 1TB and 2TB models, providing a high-end anti-glare finish for professionals who demand color accuracy in variable lighting conditions. All these internal advancements work in tandem with iPadOS 26, which brings a redesigned windowing system and full integration of the company's new Apple Intelligence features, allowing the iPad to truly run advanced, generative AI tasks directly on the device with unprecedented efficiency. This M5 iPad Pro is a statement. It is the culmination of Apple Silicon's trajectory, delivering a truly desktop-class, intelligent computing experience in a profoundly thin and portable form factor, solidifying its place as the definitive Pro tablet for years to come. The M5 iPad Pro has set the bar so high, it's no longer just a great tablet, it's a mobile supercomputer. Thank you for tapping in, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for all the latest authentic tech breakdowns.